Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel here. So I just want to do a little unboxing here of the CURT Echo Mobile Brake Controller here. So Bluetooth connection to control all brake settings from your smartphone, which I need because I don't have a truck anymore. I have this beautiful SRT Grand Cherokee here and this wonderful AMG GLE. So both of these cars don't come equipped with a trailer brake controller. Both can tow up to 7,200 pounds when properly equipped, like both of these units are. So I needed to get something that, you know, I don't have to install in the vehicles, and that's a cheaper option to installing an actual trailer brake controller to pull my parents' camper and my car hauler. So this was the next best option here. So taking a look at it here, you know, it's wireless portable design, allows for easy transfer from one vehicle to another. Works seamlessly with the One Connect Auto app or One Control Auto app on iOS and Android devices. So taking a look at this here, you have the Bluetooth pin, which is a must need or must use. And here are all the configurator active profile settings. You have manual brake activation, brake output indicator, max output, sensitivity level, and vehicle hazard lights. So taking a look here, you got your LED status indicator, device not paired, no trailer connected, device paired, no trailer connected, calibrating echo, no power, device paired, trailer connected, device not paired, but the trailer is connected, wiring error, and hardware fault solid red. So there's my pin. I am actually going to throw this right into the Grand Cherokee here, so I don't have to worry about essentially losing the pin. So I'm going to tuck that away into that little pocket there, and then we ultimately should be good here. So these are some different instructions here on how to essentially wire the unit. So you've got a fastener here, which I am not sure if I actually did get or not. When I did buy this off of Amazon, it looked like the package was open. So if I didn't have that, which actually I do, it's just tucked away in here, which is good. So this little doohickey here will strap around the, essentially once we take this bracket off here, it will strap around the actual 7-pin controller and the CURT Echo. Pretty easy to take that off from Jeep. So you have that right there. And then for the unit not to fall out, there's a little wrap that you could put around here that comes with the actual unit, so it does not fall out. And Jeep puts us in a really good place for towing. So it says read here, follow the manual carefully. Vehicle specific requirements. So you need to, first of all, make sure you have the 7-pin receiver. If you don't have that, the product can't work. Next, you have to install the app. And the app is pretty easy to install. There's the QR code right there, which I think I am going to do that right now, and then we will rejoin once I actually set up the app here. So I'm going to go in, and then I'm going to set up the app and get it all activated here. All right, so we've got everything connected here, and it was actually quite simple. So as I'm looking at it here, I've got the Echo connected with the strap into the actual 7-pin harness of the Jeep. And I've got all these trailer profiles on here. The light is just a solid blue right now, which a solid blue light with the echo means that the device is paired, no trailer connected. So you could do profile 1, which is the vehicle. I can change that to Jeep SRT. And then I've got profile 1, which would be the car hauler trailer. And then I could set up profile 2, which would be the Jeep SRT. And then profile 2 would be camper. So I could set that up. Profile 3, again, would be Mercedes. If I could spell Mercedes AMG GLE. And then that profile would be named car hauler. And the list goes on and on. So you could add custom trailers. You can, trailer, car hauler, delete profile, blah, blah, blah. I can do that later. So now you've got profile 5, and you can change your car. You can open that. So this brings you to a warning. Avoid distracted driving. And it just will take you to that. So I actually need to have my trailer connected, but you can see how easy that was to connect to it. And then you could change your different profiles on here. It's really quite simple. So mine would be Jeep SRT car hauler, and it's quite a simple app here, just looking at it. Now, again, once we actually get on the road and hauling, I'll have a separate review for that. But just to show you the connectivity, you could see how easy it is. So finally here, this is what it looks like. You want to make sure that you have that strap. Otherwise, this will fall out, even with a little protection right there. It will fall out eventually if you're going up and down hills. You could see how easy that was just to pull out like that. So essentially, you have to make sure the strap is on there. Otherwise, this will pull out of the 7-pin adapter. But overall, it was very easy here to use, very easy to install. I can literally put it right there in my vehicle, and that's it. So again, once I get the trailer hooked up, I'm really looking forward to towing here with the WaySafe, and I'm really looking forward to towing my new car hauler trailer that I got. So with that being said, guys, just a quick little review, quick little setup, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.